Yeah, hello, back again. Yeah, he said to me, what have I ever done for England, right? I said, it's not about what I've ever done for England, right? I said, right now, I'm doing something, yeah? I've just come up with the most genius idea. I said, never mind for England. Yeah, I said, never mind for England. I've just come up with a genius idea for revolutionary global sewerage and sanitation systems. Okay, I said, we're in 2025. Are you telling me, right, Elon Musk is coming up with all these ideas and all these plans for AI robotic humanoids? Yeah, humans in the future, very, very soon, we're going to be able to be implanted with microchips in our head that are going to be able to control the computers, finger free, hand free, or just mind to computer connection. Okay, he's coming up with biometrics for people who have lost limbs or with disabilities. You know, technology has advanced this much. Even in China and Japan, they have revolutionary smart home features. Yeah, technology has just, we've got drones in the sky creating amazing, dazzling, spectacular spectacle shows, light shows up in the sky. What else? We've got so many technological improvements. Okay, even you can have AI, artificial intelligence is just going sky high, like through the roof. Yeah, we're gonna have like robotic humanoids working soon in the restaurants, you know, and in the shops. No one's even gonna have to work anymore very soon, apparently. So, yeah, we've got all this technological advancement going on. Okay, we can send like aircrafts to the moon, to Mars. They're talking about sending them to Saturn, so many thousands of miles away in the galaxy, and all of this. But yeah, women, we still have to go through this embarrassment and all this shame and embarrassment when we have babies and they keep pooing. We're having all these plastic nappies. We've got to be using these press-on towels all bloodied up, yeah, to go put in the garbage, to be moaned at by our husband, our partner, by our family, calling us dirty, calling us unclean. Okay, we've got to put up with all this embarrassment and shame every month. Okay, they keep telling us, oh, don't put those down the toilet, put them in the garbage. I don't want to be putting all my blooded towels in the garbage bins for the garbage men to come and collect. I don't want to do that. Okay, I just told you I'm Queen of Egypt. Why should I do that? Why should I have to be putting all my bloodied up panties and all my bloodied up press-on towels in the garbage? Yeah, they should be going down the toilet so that no MF can come and like meddle with my DNA, with my blood and my DNA. Okay, because that's how far things are getting. We don't know what they're doing. Yeah, when my blooded press-on towels go in garbage, I don't know what they're going to do with my DNA, with my blood and my DNA. Okay, where they're going to, what warehouse or what manufacturing laboratory, science laboratory, they're going to whisk them away to, you know, to try and like clone, you know, from my DNA. Okay, so the best place for them to go is down sewerage, down toilet, down sewerage. So what they need to do, as I just said, how they cannot come up with better, okay, sanitation and water waste engineering. Yeah, they're making all these plans, all these like architectural plans for new and improved smart homes. What about underground? Okay, you're telling me all these government, all these elite people, they've got all these underground bunkers, they've made all these underground cities for if it was all to get, you know what, by which country, you know what, if whatever was about to happen. Yeah, they have all this, yeah, you're telling me, but yet they can't invest enough in a global revolutionary sewerage, smart home, waste engineering, sewerage system. That we don't have to go through these issues with toilet paper, toilet waste, yeah, every month, telling us women, oh, you can't put this down toilet, you can't do that, you can't do this, yeah, you're unclean, you're unhygienic, you're dirty, you stink, you're this and you're that, okay? Surely they should be able to come up with, as I just said, better engineering, better technology to resolve these issues. So anyway, this is Lifestyle Chav Chat. That's my chat for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I have to be putting up with this embarrassment and shame? Okay, is it my issue? Okay, that I'm having to block up my toilet with my press-on towels, okay, etc., etc., and face wipes, etc., etc. Yeah, is it my issue, and should I have to be putting up with that issue, or are we advanced enough? Yeah, are we technologically advanced enough in 2025 to come up with a revolutionary toilet, sanitation, and sewage waste water management engineering system? You let me know in the comments, let me know in the chat your opinion, what you think. Thank you very much for watching. I'm tuning out, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, bye-bye. This is part 2 of feminine hygiene and sanitation issues. Thanks for watching, bye-bye, see you later.